हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 80 हाई स्कूल ग्रामर रेन एंड मार्टिन बुक और चैप्टर है 11 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। जैसा हमने एक्सरसाइज 79 में किया था सेम है, इसमें आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस को सिंपल सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है। पहला सेंटेंस है ही सोल्ड द हॉर्स विच बिलोंग टू हिज ब्रदर। इसको सिंपल सेंटेंस में लिख सकते हैं ही sold his brother's horse। दूसरा है as I was unable to help in any other way I gave her some money। अब इसको लिखा जा सकता है unable to help in any other way I gave her some money। और अगर आप चाहें इसे दूसरी तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, सेम सेंटेंस है, बस इसकी शुरुआत आप लिख सकते हैं being unable to help in any other way I gave her some money। आप इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है I have no horse that I can lend you। अब इसको लिखा जा सकता है I don't have a horse to lend you। एक और तरीके से भी लिखा जा सकता है सेम लाइन I have no horse, बस that I can की जगह यहां पे लिख दीजिए इसको काटते हुए to lend you, तो भी आपका सेम मीनिंग आएगा। I have no horse to lend you या I don't have a horse to lend you। नेक्स्ट है the marks that were left by the whip were still visible। अब इसको कैसे सिंपल वे में लिख सकते हैं the whip marks were still visible। और एक और तरीके से लिखा जा सकता है the marks left by the whip were still visible। This is the place where we camp। Here is where we camp। और दूसरा तरीका है this is our camping place। The heart that is full of grief is heavy। A grief-stricken heart is heavy। दूसरा एक और मेथड the heart full of grief is heavy। The reply which you have made is foolish। Your reply is foolish। The evil that men do lives after them। The evil deeds of men live after them। Or you can write the evil done by men lives after them। Do you not remember him who was formerly your friend? Do you remember your former friend? Or do you not remember him, your former friend? This is the needle with which she knits। This needle is used for knitting। Or you can write this is her knitting needle। Have you nothing that you wish to say? Do you have anything to say? Or you can write have you nothing to say? He prospered by the help he got from his friends। He prospered with help from his friends। Or he prospered by the help of his friends। They were advised by a clever lawyer who was a high court pleader। They received advice from a clever lawyer who was a high court pleader. He is weak from the illness which he had recently. He is weak from a recent illness. A man who is dead needs no riches. A dead man has no need for riches. Or you can write, a dead man needs no riches. I have seen the house which belongs to Rama. I have seen Rama's house. He was the most learned of the judges who lived at that time. He was the most learned judge of his time. He died in the village where he was born. Died in his birth village. Or you can write, died in his native village. The horse, which is an Arab of pure blood, is very swift. The pure-blooded Arab horse is very swift. Or you can write, the horse, being an Arab of pure blood, is very swift. The smell which comes from this drain is very bad. The smell from this drain is very bad. Or the smell coming from this drain is very bad. अब यहां हम लोगों ने 20 तक सेंटेंसेस सॉल्व कर लिए हैं. अभी ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज काफी लंबी है. इसमें नियर अबाउट 23 सेंटेंसेस लगभग और हैं. तो ज्यादा अच्छा है कि इसको हम 2 पार्ट्स में कवर करते हैं. यहां पर हम फिनिश करते हैं. इसके आगे की जो एक्सरसाइज है वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करते हैं. तब तक आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन.